This afternoon I've got my FMS Ranger 1220 version 2, and left and right in the ailerons, left and right in the rudder, up and down the elevator. My rudder looks a little bent. I'm probably going to need to adjust that. Maybe that's why I was having a little bit of issue. There we go, straightened it out. We're on floats here in the snow. Yesterday I had a little trouble getting off in the snow over at the other field, and wanted to fly, so I put the floats on it this morning, and here we go. This is a view that I don't usually get from the far end of our runway, far left side of the runway, all the way down. So here we go. I'm going to take off here. I'll walk up to the middle section to actually fly, but we're ready to go. First flight on skis this year, or floats I should say, and right up. 5 to 8, 9 mile an hour wind. So we got a fair amount of wind today. Good view at the belly of the plane with the floats. She flies remarkably well. Just gliding into that breeze. Bring her back. Real easy to put the floats on once you've got the structure, the frame ready. It take 8 screws. Probably took me 5 to 8 minutes probably to put them in. Most of that time was finding the screws, which were in a nice plastic bag where they're supposed to be. Oop. Let me stay way below this guy. Obviously I would be. Here we go, kind of floating along nicely. Take out a little bit over the field. Now we're going to bring her back. Oop. Need a little more throttle there. Kind of stalled a little bit. Take it out. And you can see the wind having an effect on this plane once in a while. I do have a voltage alarm on it, so we'll know when our voltage is down. I've got a 3S 1300 in it. 120C, so it's a good one, a good battery. I use this a lot in my habu SS 50mm. And since it's cold, I wanted a little bit more punch, so that's what the extra C rating gives me in this kind of a day. So let's bring it back in this way a little bit and then go back out. Increase the throttle, going into the wind. They're up a little higher.
Safe, off.
Now let's fly in optimized mode, as they call it on this reflex. Yeah, really nice loop. Here we have another manned aircraft coming in. I'll have to stay nice and low. Not that, again, I'm anywhere near them, with only being about 100 feet at the most above ground level here. Feel like I'm getting a little low on power. I think it might be me, just the way I'm feeling it. Oh no, it's fine. Flying just fine. Look at that. Let's do another big loop if we can. There we go. Huge loop for us, for this beautiful plane. Here comes a big gust. I don't know if you'll hear it in the mic, but I can feel it on my face from my left. It's oh, we are low on battery. See if we can bring her around and we'll bank it around here. And it became quiet, so I actually probably have plenty of power left, but the there she is. The FMS Ranger 1220 on floats on the snow. Thanks for watching. First time I've been on floats this year on the snow. And obviously, yesterday was our first day of snow, so that's the only way it could have been. So not a bad landing, a little bounce there as you can see from the track. But other than that, great flight. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it.